Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Today I have a very unique product with me, a product that makes any of your utensils airtight. I have airtight. I have just got these, and there are these 6 different sizes of these silicone covers which you can basically put on any container and that becomes airtight. Now just to quickly let you know, this entire package came in this simple plastic sheet with this particular tag on it. It says Gahi Silicon Limited Set Multicolor. That's all what it had, and there is a price code. Although this price that is mentioned over here, which is 999 rupees, is just a price that they put over here. I got this product for, I believe, 289 rupees, that is 290 rupees, for these set of 6 different sizes of these silicone covers. Now these are very handy in today's times. Yeah, that's the biggest that we have over here, and I will let you know, what size container can it cover. I know that there are airtight containers available, but I don't think they're available in really huge sizes. Now something like this, a container the size that it would cover, is huge, and I will soon show you that. Now this again is the second size, which is decently big. Now these are pretty strong, they seem pretty sturdy. You can see, I'm pulling them, they seem pretty sturdy. And these are the few other sizes. As you can see, this is another size, this is another size, this again is another size, and this is the smallest that we have over here. This, I believe, can be utilized to cover glasses if we are probably wanting to put something into those and carry them around, because these hold onto the container pretty well. So if you are traveling somewhere and you want to carry something into a glass, you can do that and cover this up with this. We have been having containers in our house for some time now, and not always are these containers airtight. We have seen that we probably either use a plastic and then cover, we put a plastic on top of the container and then cover it with the cover that is available for that container, or it comes along with the container. If I can give you an idea of the size that it can cover, is this particular container. If you see over here, it's pretty huge. If you can see this, it's decently huge. If you can see, it's almost, if I can say, the height is about 10 inches or maybe more than that. So that's the size of the container. Now, as I said, the biggest one that we have over here is this, and this will let you cover this entire thing easily and leave it over there. Otherwise you would have covered it with the usual container, the usual lid that the container comes with, that is this particular thing, and you can see how flimsy and loose it is, and I'm sure it doesn't hold things airtight in there. So to ensure that it is absolutely airtight, especially with the spices in there and they maintain their texture and their flavor, you would really need to ensure that they are airtight. So what you can do is you can probably just put this on top of this over here like this. That's all what you need to do. You need to just ensure and pull it from all sides, and there you go. That's your container being airtight. Now I'm 100% sure, and I don't think that I have seen an airtight container of this size being available anywhere. So imagine a size like this containing all your important things and being completely airtight. This is one size. Now the other one, which I said again, this can be another one. This is a regular plastic container with a regular lid which it comes with. Now this definitely you can put things in there, but it doesn't keep things airtight. Again, the other size that you can utilize to cover this up is this particular size. You just as I said, you just need to pull it up from one end and then just cover it up right from all sides. That is all what you need to do. And what it does is it covers it, it kind of holds it tight, so just so that there is no air entering into it. Now you can see this, if I'm pressing this, you can see that the vacuum that is getting created on the sides, which just in a way shows that it is airtight. You just need to ensure that you pull it from all the sides properly, just so that it's covered nice and tight, and you can just put it away, and things inside should remain airtight and fresh. That's how it works. Now again, as I said that there are multiple sizes, this was another size that I tried out. As you can see, there's another size that you can probably check is this size. This size, I believe this is again an 8 inch in height kind of a container, roughly around about that much, and you can just cover it up. I mean, that's it. It's as simple as that. You just go ahead and cover it up from all the sides, and it ensures. Now I'm sure we all, if at all we've used these steel containers, we know that they are not airtight, and this ensures that things that stay inside these are going to remain fresh. So it's a pretty handy thing. Now again, there are different sizes. You can just probably pull up a small katori that we call in India, a container like this, and you can just cover it up with the smallest container that we have over here. Sorry, the smallest cap or the cover that we have over here, and it just goes, and that's it. I mean, if you've probably lost, or you just have something that you want to carry to your office. Now obviously we are not going, most of us are not going to office because of working from home, but something like this can be very handy. You get your vegetables or something added to this, and if you don't have a lid, you can just use this to cover it up and carry it along with you. And the same size, as I said, fits onto a glass as well because it's really small. Now there are a couple of other sizes that you can try out if you want. I'm sure you must have got an idea of how you can go about checking with these. There's another size that you can definitely try out is probably a container of this size. Maybe you've made some raita or something of that sort and you've kept it in here and you want it to be fresh, so you can just prepare this and just cover it up. As simple as that. You can just cover it up and leave it, and that will be it. I mean, it will take care of the freshness. Yeah, you'll have to stretch a little bit. Yeah, there you go, and you can see it's completely airtight from all the sides. It's holding on nice and tight. As you can see this, you can see these, it's holding on to things nice and tight, and this thing is absolutely airtight. So this is an on-the-go kind of a thing. Maybe you've prepared some raita to go along with your food. You can just put it up in this and you can cover it up and keep it in the refrigerator, just so that you ensure that it's absolutely airtight. That's one. And I think almost all, and there's another size that you can see that can probably get covered, something of this sort. This is another container wherein the spices are kept. Now most of the containers that you've seen with this video are probably containing spice. One of the things that you can utilize it for is you can probably throw in your regular farsan in one of these containers. You can definitely put, and you know, the moment it comes in a pack and the moment you open up the pack or you cut the pack, the content inside tends to become a little softer or a little soggy, and especially in the weather that we are right now in during the monsoons, it tends to get softer even faster. So all what you need to do is you just need to stack in your content, something of this sort which has been opened. As you can see, this has been opened over here. You just need to throw it in over here and just cover it up. That's it, and this will remain airtight. So that's all it is. I mean, it's as simple as this, and I found this product to be very handy, so I did go ahead and purchase these. What I'm going to do is, since this, I don't think there is a specific brand as such, or maybe there are multiple brands who are making something of this sort. These are called silicone covers or silicone lids for your utensils. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description, so probably you can check those and you can see and utilize those for the covering of the utensils. I'm sure you can get a lot more creative and innovative with the way you would want to use this. So yes, that was my video about these covers that you can utilize to make any container airtight. That's the best part. You can make any container airtight. You are not restricted to a size. Now, as you saw, there are 6 different sizes that you get. Now, if you have multiple containers of the same size, you can probably go ahead and repeat the covers, and these covers are washable. You can just go ahead, remove them, wash them. As you can see, it's decently sturdy. They look quite durable. I don't think they're gonna go off or they're gonna get spoiled or they're gonna tear off soon. They seem pretty strong. So you can go ahead and check out this product and see how it helps you. And especially when we are staying at home, we probably end up utilizing a lot of stuff or getting a lot of stuff home. I mean, you know, containers like these can also be utilized for stacking up your dry fruits, you know, your almonds and walnuts and things that you like to have crunchy, or you like to eat crunchy. and especially staying at home and ensuring that our immunity is up there and improving our immunity, we are having a lot of these dry fruits. So it's very handy if you can just store them up in these airtight containers, and or any containers which can be made airtight utilizing this particular cover. So yes, that was my video. I hope it is going to be helpful. So go ahead and try these products out, and if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you already haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you so much and take care. Goodbye.